Step into the world of Drew Christine Fabrics and Design. Uncover one-of-a-kind designer merch, vintage chic treasures, and unlock your creativity with our sewing studio fabrics and findings. Your destination for unique designs and vintage elegance. Elevate your style with exclusive designer pieces and timeless vintage chic. Immerse yourself in a creative haven with endless possibilities. Meet the minds behind the magic and explore the artistry that brings your visions to life. Get hands-on instructions and choose from a variety of fabrics and findings, all ready for you to express your unique style. Discover what sets us apart, from unique designs to timeless vintage elegance, and the tools to create your own masterpiece. Are you ready to step into a world of style, creativity, and endless possibilities? Visit us today at 1615 East 25th Street, or visit us online at www.drewchristine.com.